Adhering to pull box guidelines when installing an underground non-metallic conduit is crucial. Pull boxes should be placed every 100 feet or where two 90-degree bends are present. Pulling limitations for C86 or C8T5E cables are 25 pounds regardless of the number of cables being pulled. Failure to comply with these guidelines can lead to difficulties when pulling low voltage cables, such as increased pulling force required, damaged cables, and inability to complete pulls successfully. To ensure proper installation, review the Telecommunications Distribution Methods Manual and the Telecommunications Cabling Installation Manual. These manuals can be found at www.dixie.org. Ignoring these guidelines could result in costly delays and rework. Adhering to these standards will ensure the efficient and safe installation of low-voltage cabling systems. Electricians often run conduit for installations, and sometimes more than the allowed two 90-degree bends are found. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not fully address low-voltage cabling issues regarding pull boxes. One electrician pointed out that according to the code, three 90-degree bends are permissible before requiring a pull box. However, with the pulling limitations on the data cable, additional pull boxes and fewer bends are often necessary. Sweeping 90-degree bends are also beneficial to ease the pull. The Bixie website offers valuable resources. As more electrical contractors enter the low-voltage field, these manuals would be beneficial references. The recommendation in the manuals is that a pull box be placed every 100 feet or where two 90s have been placed. Keeping to the 25 pounds pulling force limitation can be very hard if long runs are involved or too many bends are in place.